In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft Excel step by step. Before you begin, the first thing you need to check is that you have an active Microsoft 365 subscription and that a Copilot license is assigned to your personal or business account. This is important because Copilot will not appear or function correctly unless your account has the proper access. If you're using a work account, this may be managed by your organization, so keep that in mind. Next, open Microsoft Excel and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. You can do this through the account settings inside Excel. Keeping the app fully updated helps ensure that the newest Copilot features are installed and available. If Excel is out of date, some options may be missing, or the tool may not work as expected. Once Excel is ready, open the spreadsheet you want to use. After that, save the file to OneDrive or SharePoint. This step matters because Copilot works best with cloud-saved files. Also, check the autosave toggle in the top left corner and make sure it is turned on. That helps Excel keep your work synced and accessible for Copilot features. Now, select the data you want Copilot to work with. After highlighting that data, go to the Home tab and click Format as Table. This is a key step because Copilot requires your data to be in an official table format. If your data is just sitting in a normal range of cells, Copilot may not be able to analyze it properly. Turning it into a table gives the tool a clearer structure to work with. After your table is ready, go to the far right side of the Home tab ribbon and click the Copilot icon. This will open the Copilot chat pane on the right side of your screen. That panel is where you'll interact with Copilot and give it instructions. If you don't see the Copilot icon, don't worry. Go to the File menu, select Account, and then click Update License. This can refresh your Microsoft 365 features and help Excel recognize that Copilot is available for your account. Once the chat pane is open, type your question or task into the Copilot chat box. You can use it to analyze data, generate formulas, or create charts automatically. Be clear with your request so Copilot can give you the most useful result. That's how to add and start using Microsoft Copilot in Excel. Feel free to subscribe